Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Kia Optima Hybrid. 2012 Kia Optima Hybrid LX efficiency meets elegance, driving never felt this good. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Kia has less than 66,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 34 miles per gallon in the city, and 39 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ladies and gentlemen, check out the 2012 Kia Optima Hybrid LX. Powered by a 2.4L hybrid i4 engine, this sleek ride delivers 206 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, giving you a smooth yet powerful drive. With under 66,000 miles, this car is practically new, averaging less than 6,000 miles per year. And with an impressive 34 mpg city and 39 mpg highway, you'll save big at the pump. The Aurora Black Pearl exterior gives it a sophisticated look, while the black leather interior ensures a comfortable, stylish ride. This Optima Hybrid is loaded with factory features: power windows, locks, mirrors, and seats. It's been well maintained with a clean Carfax report, so you can drive with peace of mind. Ready for an upgrade? Visit us at 7-Star Auto Sales and take this beauty for a spin today. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, and window defogger.